Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 103 of Building the Enterprise-D. I have started, because it's boring for you to see me do all of these bits, I've put the escape pod covers onto there and I fixed them on the back there like that. I've sorted out the screws for the next bit. We've got other things to do as well, so we'll come back to that. But for now, actually, I need to move this all back a bit to give myself a little bit more room for doing the rest of this. Let's move all of those over there. Move those over there. Because this needs to fix, well, you know where it's going to fix. It's obvious, isn't it? It's going on to the saucer section. We've got this panel over here to fit onto there. So it just goes in place like so. We've got bits to go over, bits to go under, bits to line up, and it fits in place there with two of these screws in the outside bit. A bit like that. And that one there, I can still get that bit of tape off from the inside there when I need to, so I'm not worried about that bit. Worried about getting it lined up though. There we go. And the final screw, slightly longer one, goes in there. And when that is all nice and secure, I'm assuming there's going to be little plugs to cover over those bits, but we have already got the escape pod cover to go over that one. Make sure the red line lines up with all the others on there as well. I'll get it the right way around. Get it lined up now. It's completely upside down. There we go. That's the right way up and the right way round. All of those are the right way up as well. So that is that there. So that's the important bit done. So basically we're going to have to do the same on the other side over the next few weeks. We've got the other part of this in this pack to finish off the framework on the saucer section. So that's there, good to go. Let me move that out of the way, because the next part we need to do is coming back to the battle section. So let me clear everything out and get ready for the next bit. Right, so we've got some things to do on here. First up, we've got the large circular panel, which covers over that. Basically now we're covering over screw holes because we're sure everything's working. It's all plugged in and tested. So I'm happy with how it all works. So there we have that one. Then we've got these two covers that go over a couple more screws. That one there, and this one over this side. Get it the right way round. Looking smoother already. We've got these two covers to go over the screw holes in there. Nice. I like the way it fits together. The two other pieces go over these screw holes at the back. Not that one. That one. Yeah, get them the right way around. They obviously only line up properly one way round. That's a better fit there. That one there, and the other one over this side. Yeah, just about line up. There you go. That one there. Then we've got a couple more things to do. We've got these deflector pad things, which have a sticky label to go over there. I'm not going to use those. I want a sharper pair of tweezers for that. Not those either. Little ones, they'll be lovely. So we've got two double-sided sticky pads. We'll go on that one. And one will go on that one. Get them lined up properly, that'd be even better. Try that one more time. There you go. That'll go on there nicer. That's rubbish. I need to remove the backing from this, and these are going in there. Is it that one? No, that's going to be the other side. So this one's going to be this side. Which way round? That way or that way? Looks like that way. I've got a problem with that. A little bit rocked up. I think that will be fine. That one on there. And that one on there. Don't know that it makes a difference which way round, because it certainly looks okay that way, so I'm going to do that one. I can get the backing off of there. Strange, the other one came off almost on its own, and this one's fighting me. Come on. Only peeling half of the backing off of there. There we go, that's that one. So that will go in that gap there. And all the other ones are covered by the escape pod covers that we've got here. Slightly different shape and style to the other ones, but they go in exactly the same way. They just pop in to all of those. So I've got all of these to fill in, one at the back there, all there, and one there. So I'll get these done off camera and then show you what it looks like when we've finished this stage. There you go, all of the escape pod covers over, all of the screw holes nicely covered. I do like the way it goes together. It feels like every issue now there's something sort of coming together and it's all starting to feel and look very good. So that is that, another issue completed. Next time, I believe we're going to be doing more of this again. Might be putting the final panel on there. So stick around for that very, very soon. In fact, let me just flick ahead. Yes, we are indeed. We've got the back panel to put on. So I shall see you for that next time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.